Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Guide. Today I am going to show you most common interview question. How to move tempdb file in a SQL server to another drive. How to move tempdb database. To move tempdb database, the following steps move tempdb from its current location on a disk to another disk location. First step, find the logical file name of the tempdb database and their current location on a disk. Change the location of each file by using alter database command. Stop and restart the instance of a SQL server. And finally, verify the file change. Let's connect with a SQL server to show you how to move tempdb database. Connect SQL Server from SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to connect prod_b. To move tempdb database, first you have to identify name and a physical name of the tempdb database. For that, the following query will help you to get a name and a physical name of a tempdb database. Select name, physical name, sysmaster file, database ID equal to db ID and tempdb database. Run. After running, you can see that you have received the name tempdb, templog and temp2 and its physical location. So this is the current location for the tempdb database, and I am going to move to D drive SQL database tempdb. So from C I am going to move to D. So this is the first step to identify the name and the physical name from sysmaster file for the database tempdb. Now second step, to run the alter database command to define the new location for the tempdb. Tempdev, which is primary data file, I am going to move D SQL database. Temp2 is a secondary NDF file for a tempdb. I am going to move D drive SQL database tempdb, and log file also I am going to move to D SQL database tempdb. So this is the second step. You have to run alter database command, modify file name, name equal to tempdb, and file name current new location where you want to move a tempdb database. Let's run it. After running, you have received message saying that the new path will be used the next time the database is started. Same for secondary data file temp2. The new path will be used the next time the database is started, because tempdb is recreated each time the MS SQL Server services is started. You do not have to physically move the data file and a log file. The file are created when the services is restarted. Until the services is restarted, tempdb continue to function in the same location. So let's restart the SQL Server services. Connect prod underscore B and connect SQL Server 2090 configuration manager, and from there you can restart the services. SQL prod B, restart. You can see the services has been started successfully. You can start services from Management Studio also. Connect the instance, right click and stop and restart option we have, but it's good if you restart from SQL Server configuration manager. So refresh the server and you can see tempdb is functioning now, and you can verify by running this command current location. You can see the tempdb successfully moved to DSQL database, and health check of database sp help db. You can run tempdb. You can see its status is online. So this is the steps to move tempdb database and tempdb data files. Thanks for watching SQL guide. Please share, subscribe and like.